briefly explain kung anong functions itong Digital Council of the Philippines. Yun na nga, unang-unang kailangan meron siyang ma-formulate na code of ethics and standards to be followed by its members. Number two, ito po ang mag-serve as a vehicle to address complaints of victims of fake news. It has the technical means. Ito po yung parang konseho na magsusuri at magfa-fact check kung ang isang complaint ay may basihan, kung tunay na biktima ang isang grupo ng isang scam or isang businessman ng isang scam o kaya ng isang government agency, ng isang fake news, and it will come up with its findings. So what do we do with the findings of the Digital Council of the Philippines? Pag nalaman po niya at napagtanto ng isang piece of information ay walang basihan at fake, ito po ay ifa-flag niya at sasabihin doon sa social media platform. Para po, by law, ang social media platform will be obliged and required to flag a certain piece of information as fake or to take it down, which is already being practiced by TikTok, to my knowledge. And also by some other social media platforms that have community annotations, community notes, no, na nagsasabi itong informasyon na to ay lacking information o ito'y walang basihan. So this is a way of administering justice without stepping on the constitutional right to freedom of speech or expression. Kasi sa laban po sa fake news, ang kalaban po natin talaga dyan, syempre, of course, is the piece of news itself. Ako po ay naniniwala kapag ang isang piece of information ay walang matibay na pundasyon na nakapatong at nakasalalay sa katotohanan, ito po ay babagsak. Pero kailangan nga lang ho ay mag-cooperate ang ating mga social media platforms. Maaring tanong po ng iba dyan, paano mo ma-ensure na lahat ng content creators ay magiging miyembro nitong Digital Council? Pero hindi po ito ang pangarap ng Digital Council of the Philippines. Kahit hindi ikaw ang miyembro ng Digital Council of the Philippines, kapag ang isang piece of information na generate mo ay nireklamo dahil wala itong batayan, ay mafa-flag ito at madedetect ng Digital Council. At eventually, if we pass a law that would require social media platforms to adhere to the findings, recommendations, and instructions of the Digital Council, ay mafa-flag ito as fake and it could be taken down. At syempre, kung ako naman ang content creator, kung sa 10 pieces of information na gine-generate ko, siyam ay nafa-flag as fake, edi parang humukay na rin ako ng sarili kong libingan.